Let it rip.
Hold on, I gotta
Come
get.
on,
Okay, go ahead.
Do it.
Hold on, do the other animal one too.
Which one do you want to hear?
A donkey.
Donkey. Elephant.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's the best. What else do you do?
I want to hear the Velociraptor one with us.
That's the best ever on the whole planet. On the whole planet, BC or AD, you're the best Velociraptor.
Yeah.
No doubt.
You think I can get a part in the next sequel of Jurassic Park 4?
If they have it, you call up Steven Spielberg. I bet you $1 million he'll let you in.
Hello, Steven. This is Walter.
An impressionist.
I have a great idea for the next movie. WTF.
Jurassic Park 3.5. Velociraptors run amok. Starring Åsa Stenstrud. Oh, happy crayfish party.